Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upload a profile photo on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left side of the screen, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile picture. And of course, the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and upload a profile photo on Zillow. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first, visit the Zillow website and log into your account as I told you in the start of the video. Then click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. After that, click on edit next to your profile name. So basically, when you click on your, of course, right here, then of course go to your profile, which is of course the settings, and here you'll have also your profile. Then go and click edit next to your name, select upload photo and choose a file from your device. Once you selected your photo, click submit to update your profile. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.